Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top best rate tweets for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweet is called Preferred. It's a modern preference bundle loader. Next tweet is called Shuffle. Organize your settings. Next tweet is called libcs preferences, and it's a preference library for iOS where it's iOS 9.x to iOS 13.x. Next tweet is called Chat UI. Customize your messages app. Next tweet is called Music Layered Share. Long press lyrics in the app of music to share them. Next tweet is called No Widgets Labels, and hide only labels of widgets. This is called Widget Radius. Make old widgets match the new ones. This is called No Switcher Cache. Remove the cache of the snapshots when using a good switch. This is called No Buttons when playing. Remove quick action buttons. This is called Music Background. Assign artwork to your lock screen control center. This is called Vol Vibes. Change the volume button vibrations. Color the volume HUD. This is called Step Up. Change the amount of steps for volume. This is called Timestamp. Dynamically cycle between time and date in the status bar. This is called Music Artwork No Corners. Removes artwork corner radius. This is called Diary. Dear Diary. Windows 10 lock screen replica. This is called Tweakio. Search packages globally from your favorite package manager. Supports Cydia, installers, Celio, and Zebra. This is called Phosphor Tools. Helper tool for Phosphor tweets. This is called Wooz It Pro. And best all-in-one call identification solution for your iDevice. She's called Aperturize and requires dual camera phones, not compatible with A12 devices. A12 devices already have built-in depth control. She's called Velvet, and new way to customize your notifications. This is called iSecure OS, and it's iOS security application for jailbroken devices. This is called Spotify No Shortcuts. Remove shortcuts section from Spotify. This is called libfots Fort Utils, basic utilities required by all Fots 4 tweets. This is called Milky Way 2 and Milky Way 3. This actually was a simulation of Milky Way 2 running on iOS 15. Milky Way 3 is the most advanced tweak for multitasking. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys. No, not yet. We're not done yet. This tweet is called libhooker support and compatibility layer to use cool-start tweets on Substrate or substitute-based bootstraps. This is called Tria, and brings dynamic home screen layout configuration system for iOS users. This is called Anti-Revoke, and no need to trust profile, no need to sign profile with 7-day limit. As long as it's in a jailbroken state, you should be able to open up any app without getting revoked. Basically the same thing. This one actually I use Anti-Revoke. SemGrade, Tony Hack your iPhone repo, or you get the other one. Both do the same thing. No need to trust profile, no need to resign profile with the 7-day limit. This is called OS Logger, and displays all the app NS logs. So basically, kind of like a log, like command lines. You know, when you execute a program or when you do something, it shows you basically that log for whatever you're doing. This is called Permaflex, permanently hide elements with flexible. This is called NetFence, monitor your network traffic. This is called PoJav Launcher iOS Dev and Minecraft Java Edition Launcher for iOS. And the last tweak is a theme called Checkra1n, and it's icons with cartoon theme and beautiful pastel colors. That's what it looks like. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Catch the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.